this great lesson, and this is lesson 3 under the continuous chart pattern. We are going to talk about what we call double bottom. Double bottom is also an example of continuous chart pattern, which is very important in trading, and we are going to show you how to trade a double bottom. How do you trade a double bottom? There are 3 ways on how you can trade a double bottom. First one, we have what we call 3 ways on how to trade double bottom. We have 3 ways. Let me type them. We have 3 ways on how to trade a double bottom. Double bottom. Double bottom. Before we go on the 3 ways which we are coming to do here, we are coming to look at after this. We're going to I'm going to show you how is a double bottom created. How is a double bottom created? And that one is what we're going to first talk about. How is a double bottom created? Double bottom is created when the price fail to make the lower low and instead made same low. That is what we are going to talk about first. How is it created? It is created when the price failed to create or form lower low and instead formed same low, which means the price failed to form lower low but instead formed same low, forming what we call a double bottom. That is what we are going to look at. When the price fails, and remember I've told you that for you to identify a double bottom, it must be at a key level. A key level, it must be at a support, which means there was a previous support created, or there was a previous resistance created, and when the price comes and form the same low at that given point, we'll have what we call a double bottom. Now this is it. Example, and I told you that forex is not theory. For those people doing forex as theory, those are content creators. That's why I always just post. I don't market this YouTube channel because I know I'm teaching legit content. I don't need to market it. This is just a lesson for my students who are willing to learn with me. We don't customize anything. If you will love it, we just subscribe. If you don't love it, you will not subscribe. But it is very simple because I always love to make forex as simple as possible, guys. Now we are going to name them. As you know, I had talked about double top. This is going to be our neckline. As you can see, let me name it with another color for distinction. That is neckline. Then we are coming here and showing you this is our double bottom. The market will not show you exact thing because mtu azingoje at those points will be at exact point. No, there is what we call a possible double bottom and a double bottom. Possible, you will see that the next formation of the support zone is created higher than the last point, ama lower than the last point. That one is called a possible double bottom because we'll be seeing those ones. Now we can come here and name it a possible double. This is not possible actually, but it is double bottom. Double bottom. Now this is a double bottom. This is a double bottom which has been formed. Yes, this is a double bottom which has been formed, and this is how it is formed. This is the neckline. Let me name it. Just take it easy, guys. This is the neckline. Don't fight with the market. This is the neckline, guys. As you can see, Very nice, very nice. This is neckline, double bottom. This is how it is formed, and I told you that how it is created is when the price failed to create or form lower low and instead formed what we call the same low. Now, what does this indicate? It means that there is a loss of momentum from the downtrend to the, and now sellers have been defeated and buyers are about to take control of that market. It is very simple as that. Don't complicate anything, I beg you guys. You know me, the Captain Gala is the king of simplicity. I always make them very simple as such for anybody, whether you are class 8 dropout, from 4 dropout. You will understand what Forex is with all my mentorship. Do not fail to watch all these videos because they will give you a light and you will start trading immediately because we go step by step. Now, this is how double bottom is created. Now there is something called uh, how double bottom is traded. How double bottom is traded, because you have to know how it is traded. Because first, how is double bottom created? How is double bottom traded? How do you trade it? Traded, yes, traded. How do you trade it? First, some people will look for neckline break. Look for neckline break and entry. Look for neckline break. Neckline break for entry. Yes. Some people will look for neckline break for entry. Yes, that one is good. You look for neckline break for entry. And I had told you that for a breakout, you have to wait for the candle to be fully formed, and do any candle that breaks the neckline with a wick, not a full body, that is not considered as a breakout, and instead that is considered as a fake breakout. The market must break that zone with the full body, not the neckline, with the body, not full body, I mean with the body, not the neck, not the wick. When the market breaks any given point with a wick, that is not a breakout, that is called a fake breakout. And you have to avoid fake breakout, guys, because if you don't avoid fake breakouts, you're going to lose money in the market. You have to make sure that the you have to make sure that the market has broken that given zone with the body, not with the wick. If you wait for the market and he has broken that zone with the wick, and you're going to call that is a breakout, you're going to fake. We are going to trade what we call fake breakout. That is where people start losing a lot of money, and instead you will lose and lose and lose. For this, nobody will tell you about this. That's why unapatanga, it is always said that only 5% of people in the whole world are correct about the market. Don't look at how my videos are. Some people will go for quality videos, what for them to believe that this content is legit. My friend, look at what I'm training and put them in practice and get what you want in the forex market. Then another way how it is traded, I've said that you look for the neckline break for entry. And the neckline break must break with a body. Some people will not wait for a retest, some guys will wait for a retest. Now some people will do what we call look for neckline break plus retest. Retest. Look for neckline break plus retest will be what we call will give us entry. It means that when there is a neckline break plus the pullback, a pullback is also known as a retest. Neckline break plus pullback will give us an entry in that given market. Now some people will look out for the neckline break, then they wait for a pullback for them to enter that given market, which is very, very accurate. But remember, some people will not always do what? Some people will not always some pairs or currency pairs will not always pull back, because you can wait for pullback and you will find that that market is no longer what pulling back. When you are trading this market on a 4-hour time frame, I always prefer you measure for your stop loss. You measure 100 pips above this entry point somewhere here. You can even put 100 pips, somewhere 150. 100 pips is okay, because we always say that when the market has moved 100 pips against you, that market is always considered that market has changed direction, which means your stop loss should be here. Now you don't wait for retest of this market, because some people, I'm saying this place, not that one is for Nini, we should be here. That one should be for double top. I'm sorry, guys. Now some people will wait for pullback. Let me show you. Let me say the market broke with that zone, with that candle. Then they wait for pullback, which is the retest for them to take that profit. But some mostly unaweza pata like this market will never retest, or it will never be pulled back. Now what you do, always look at where you are putting your stop loss. Your stop loss should be 100 pips below the entry point, not here. Some people will start measuring below the breakout. Some people will start measuring 100 pips from here, which is very wrong. It is not from here. It is from this breakout zone. Get me right. This is where people make mistake. It is not from this zone, but the breakout point is from this zone. Now you measure 100 pips below this zone, which means when this market is coming to retest, it is only going to come to retest at this zone, or it will go down kidogo, then it will go up. Now for you to avoid this, you have to make the stop loss on 4-hour, which means I'm talking about 4-hour here. On 4-hour time frame, you measure 100 pips from below. This is how to measure it. Come here with this ruler, measure 100 pips. There is where your stop loss is, which means when the market pulls back, it will never hit your stop loss. But you can add another entry at the pullback, which means when the market is going up, you're going to be in profits with the 2 given entries. And I already train you how to enter a market up at the pullback, guys. That is very important, and it is very important. And take it from the Captain Gala. And I told you 2 ways how you can trade this market. We are talking about look for neckline break for entry. Some people will look for neckline break plus the retest to give them an entry. And there are some people also will trade this market like this. Let me show you. There's 3 ways how to trade it, and both are correct. All of them are correct. The third way to trade this market is looking at the candlestick formation patterns, candlestick formations at the double bottom, which means at the key zone. Key zone is this double bottom created here, which means you look at the entry at that key zone. Very important. Look at entry at that key zone. When that entry is okay, you enter that given market without any struggle or interference. Guys, that is how to trade double bottom. Then some people will come here and ask me, Ngala, how do you take profit here? I already told you that, as I had already talked about double top. You come here from the neckline, from this given zone, from the neckline up to the key zone, which is at the double top. You measure that distance, you can measure, which means you are guaranteed take profit will be here, which means your TP, can we call it out, which means our TP, guaranteed TP is the take profit will be somewhere here. That is very guaranteed. When the market breaks this zone, it has to move the same distance from here, from the neckline up to the double bottom. Then you measure that distance from the break at the neckline with the same distance you measured at the neckline to the double bottom. You measure the same distance. That is a guaranteed take profit. You will come here and mark this one as TP, which means take profit. Let us look at this market on a scenario of a real forex market. I don't know which one, which market should you look at Audi card. Let us confirm Audi card. Audi card on which time frame? Let us confirm it on 4 hour. Can we confirm it on 4 hour? 1 day time frame. No. In Audi USD. We are looking for Audi card. Audi card. Guys, let us check Audi card. I don't know whether there's a pair which has formed GBP USD. Let us check at GBP USD. Yes, let us look at GBP USD on 1 day time frame. GBP USD at 1 day time frame. I don't know if some people might see this, because this market has been downtrending. Then this market came here and formed this double bottom. As you can see here, this place written shoulder. As you can see, this one was a double bottom created. Then we can call this a neckline. This zone here. This zone as neckline, as I had indicated it, which means there was a break of that neckline. How is the take profit? Guaranteed take profit will come and measure this distance from here, because I even gave this signal. Let us come here and measure this distance. Yes. Then come and measure the same distance, which means this market, without fear of any contradiction, this market will go up to 1.30426, which means this is a signal for next week. And if you can still enter this market, that is guaranteed. This market will go as we have said it. That one is GBP USD. Take profit is at this zone. That one is guaranteed and will hit that take profit. Guys, that one was double bottom. There's a pair we looked at which had a very good double bottom. I don't know. Yes, this is it. Audi CHF. The reason why we took a buy on Audi CHF, what is the reason? Because there was a neckline break at this given zone with this candle. We entered here and we took our take profit one, which is here. Immediately this market hit this double top, it started selling, and this one was our double top. Now, how did we come up with that take profit? We measured this distance from here to that zone. Then we come here and measure the same distance. It is too much. We have measured too much, which is somewhere here. Yes, from that zone. And the take profit should be somewhere here at this given zone, which means when the market breaks this zone, it has to buy up to that given zone. How many pips were these? These ones was about 100 pips, if I'm not wrong. It was something like 93 pips, which was very good. Take profit one. Then take profit two. We were waiting for this market to break this given zone there, and goes to take profit. Without breaking this zone with a candle like this, we are no longer going to buy that market. That's why you will find that I told you how to trade this market in 3 ways. Some people will look at the candlestick formation at this given zone. As you can see, there is a support being created here, which means there is weak rejections of this given zone. That is candlestick formation. Some people will just come here and buy, which is correct, but it is not accurate. Some people will wait for this neckline break. Neckline should be here, but we put it at this zone for us to avoid fake breakouts. Then some people will wait for this breakout, then wait for retest. As you can see, For those people who waited for retest on this given market, this market never retested. It hit the take profit one, then went down, which means they missed this opportunity. Those guys who put a stop loss at 100 and 100 pips below entry, which is given this given zone, bro, you will find that they were never touched at all. Even the market didn't come down. The market hit the TP1 before the market went down. That is very simple and clear, guys. Now don't worry about anything, guys. If you need that mentorship, you can hit me in my inbox. I'm ready to train you. My number is 0706 06 206 333. I will pin the number there. You can WhatsApp me on that number to join our class. And our class is the July class. Entry registration has already started. Don't waste time. Register for the July classes now. Thank you, guys. That one was my time.